welcome back to Retroschaft. Today is the first time in 2 years that we're returning to the Spa Classic. Finally, it's being organized again. We went there yesterday as well and it's looking absolutely amazing. Today I'm taking you guys along for the ride. The MG is warming up, so yeah, let's get in and just leave. So since we'll be watching classic race cars all day, we thought we might as well start the day with a bit of fun ourselves. So let's do a few nice roads before we get to the track. So we have arrived, and yeah, this is actually the first event that we're doing when there's the new infrastructure at Spa as well. So we have a very new grandstand on top of the Raidillon, and they're still building a big grandstand on the old start and finish line. So it's looking pretty epic. We went to the big grandstand on the Raidillon yesterday, and we'll give you a look at it today as well, because even though on pictures it looks kind of weird, and it needs some getting used to, but when you're on the grandstand, the view is pretty epic. So we'll go there right now and give you a proper view.
Pas de souci, pour Christian Bruy, il a 16 secondes 6 d'avance sur Yvan Mahé avec la liste Chevrolet, donc il peut voir venir.
There's a pretty great variety of cars here this weekend as well that is not racing. Obviously it's pretty fun to come to an event like the Spa Classic with your own classic car, and that's what many people do. That's what we did today as well. And you could call this more like the Japanese corner of the parking area here. We'll love it or hate it, but I personally think these 300 ZXs, I think they're called, are pretty cool cars. They also make a very great sound with a sports exhaust, so yeah, I pretty much like them. And then the classic Datsun is obviously very popular, a very nice car. Always great to see these. Can't really deny that these cars are very popular right now, but they are very lovely as well. We've got two R33 GTRs here. One is in a very nice livery, the other one is pretty stock. Yeah, looking great. So yeah, that was a new grandstand on top of the Raidillon. As I said, it will take some getting used to, but the view is absolutely marvelous. Group C will be the next race, so we're going to head up to the new paddocks, and we'll see them warming up, we'll see them getting ready. That's usually pretty epic as well. And then afterwards we'll catch them as they're racing. So I wanted to quickly come in and say that in a few moments this Jaguar Group C car from 1980s is going to fire up its naturally aspirated V12 engine, and it sounds absolutely fantastic. So sit back, relax and listen to the almighty roar of the startup sound and to the car at idle, because even then it sounds brilliant. C cars are always a highlight of the weekend. We were lucky enough to catch a few warming up their engines and starting up for the first time. Now it's basically race time. So let's catch them attacking the Radeon as well. Few things are better than a good Group C session. Like, the cars look amazing, they sound amazing. There's so much variety in them as well. Like, some have V8s, some have flat 6 turbos like the 962, some have naturally aspirated V12s, naturally aspirated V10s. There's an amazing variety, and something else epic that happens here at Spa Classic is a pre-grid, the place where the cars assemble before they go on track. So let's go there right now. pretty lucky there at the end. The guy was going around telling the cars to start up and warm up their engines. And just at that moment I thought, well, everyone is going to the side. I'm just going to go straight through and film all the cars when there's no one around. And then just when I decided to go to the side, they all started leaving. And basically their warm-up lap began. So that was pretty lucky. And it was a pretty cool day at the track. It was nice showing you around. Also nice showing you around a few of the new infrastructures at Spa-Francorchamps. We now still have a drive ahead of us, a drive home, so let's get to the MG, let's find it first and settle in for the long haul.